Good morning everyone, welcome to the Philippines. After we explore Calabasa Picnic River, we are heading towards Dingalan View Deck. It was 30 km away from the Calabasa Picnic River, approximately 1 hour bike ride. In between you have a 2 waterfalls, 1 adventure park, 1 lighthouse available. Unfortunately, I couldn't visit everything because I'm riding with the bikers group. They won't stop at every attraction. That is a drawback. It is not in my hand and my decision. Either way, I'm going to visit this area on my own. I will cover all the attraction in different time. 9 o'clock we arrived at the Javier View Deck. It was a beautiful place to take a photo shoot. Look at that beautiful view deck. I don't know, you can see Mama Mary over there, right there. You have an entrance 30 paces over there. Okay. Wow. Here, there. You? So, this is exactly how it look like. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. A lot of landscape over there. As usual, every attraction you have to keep a line to take a social media photo. My friend Bella doing modeling over there. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Now the time to fly my drone. Yeah, this is the famous viewpoint.
Anak,
Look at that. This is how it look like. This is the famous viewpoint.
naka-restart.
So you didn't even say your name yet.
Okay, 1, 2.
You can call me Danda.
Are you sure?
1, 2.
It doesn't mean anything, right?
Just
Just
Just Danda.
Okay.
this one.
Whole day, this girl is bullying me so much already.
Unbreakable. Oh my God.
For the time being.
Yeah, very yummy. Medyo maglalapit naman yung mga
Yung mga lagi.
parang hindi nag-aaway. One.
Ay, dalawa kayo. Oh, dalawa kayo. Putang ina mo. Ano kayo? Dalawa kayo. Dalawa kayo.
You first, you first. Then,
You first, daddies.
Daddy, my daddy. Sugar daddy.
Yo, like. Sugar daddy. Ay,
One.
ay, saan eh? Lupit. Nakakadali yung daddy eh.
One to smile.
Galing, ano?
One to smile.
Okay.
Sa ba? Oh, ayan, ayan. Very nice, my friend. One to smile.
Okay?
Okay,
How about now?
Teka, wait. Okay, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dami.
7, 8.
Dalawa na kayo, boy. Dalawa kayo, oy. My friend, dalawa kayo. Ayaw, lumapit ka, 1, 2. Kinaban si Ega yun.
Saba.
Diba, 1, 2. Ay, sakto mo. Ito, here. Ano, last one. Ayaw, 1, 2. Diba, 1, 2. Kaya mo talaga. Kaya ba, lahat na tayo? Lahat.
Okay.
Okay.
Almost like 10 o'clock. Just now we are leaving the viewpoint. There's one more viewpoint on the top. I don't think so we can go in there. But either way, that is the main viewpoint. We had a good time over there. So looks like we are not going to the lighthouse. So that's the situation. Look at the view behind me. I was really upset. Later I came to know if I want to explore the lighthouse, I need to hire a boat. For the boat, we have to pay 2000 pesos. You can explore. There's a cave down there and the beach and the lighthouse. So it is all part of the package. Since we don't have enough time, I send my drone one more time to capture the lighthouse a little bit closely. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.